Hello, my name is Arif Tom. For the COVID-19 project, I conducted an interview of people from various age groups to understand their perspective of the current situation. I hope you get to learn a lot from this presentation. Let's get started.
In physical health terms, I think I'm exercising less, eating more. Uh, Days have become longer, so that's don't get to talk to people. So it's sort of becoming monotonous and boring. So I'm missing that part of it where I used to talk to and interact with people. So that is, and spending more time with my kids. That never used to happen before because we were busy in office. Now I see them all the time. So I've spent some time with my kids doing things which I never used to do, like I was talking about building programmable robots. So that's interesting.
Physical health I think has improved for sure because I'm getting more time to exercise, and I can't say that I don't have the time to not exercise anymore, so no more excuses. And also I think the work around the house has increased. We don't have domestic help anymore, so physical health has definitely improved. Mental health, I think it's bad in one way because we are not able to socialize with our friends and family anymore, and so it gets very boring at times. But at the same time, there is also more time to relax, to read books or to watch movies. So we are not in a rush anymore like we used to be. So I think that also helps the mental health.
COVID-19 has affected my life in many ways. So, if I speak about mental health, nowadays I can't go out and play in the evenings also. But yeah, I can go out for a walk or cycling. But on the other side, I'm feeling happy that I get to spend more time with my family.
Health is affecting little mental health, affecting only little. If you cannot meet the people you are regularly meeting, then your mental health will help. Whatever you are doing in the outside the house you cannot do. That is, you cannot go to the market regularly. Once in 15 days you are going to the market. Once in 15 days you are going to buy medicines. So all these things, before we were buying medicine once in a week. Now we are going for medicine once in 15 days because of the risk.
Yeah, I feel that we will find a vaccine or cure for COVID-19 because nowadays the scientists they are working the whole day and night, all day and night to find a cure. And yeah, I feel we'll find the cure soon.
Next few months, usually any vaccine used to take a decade plus. They are few. I think there's something from Oxford which probably, if it comes, maybe in September October time zone. That's what's predicted. Uh, if that doesn't work out, it's going to be sometime next year. I'm hoping that we find something by this year end, and that Oxford thing, which seems possibly possible, it might be by at least this year. If it's this year, but by the time we all get it, I think it will be time because I think the first will be the elderlies or the at the most risk, then kids maybe, and then it's going to be the medical professionals who will get the vaccine first. Then it's going to come to the normal folks like us, right? So hopefully by 2021 mid, I think it should general availability of vaccine should be there. Hoping so.
Okay.
Yes, vaccine is already found out, and it is the advanced stage of manufacturing. Now it is trying on human trial.
Okay.
Now it is on human trials.
Yes, I think so. Now you're cleaning your own utensils. There's no help from maids or anybody, right? So at least for now, for the last 1 month, what we have seen is that the food wastage is definitely less domestic food wastage, right? Um, Plus, there's another interesting thing is that when you actually see news, right, you figure out that a lot of people don't even have enough food to eat. It sort of put you a pressure that you shouldn't be wasting food. So you're conscious now that you should not waste food. So I think as of now, domestically we are wasting less food.
Yeah. So I feel like people are wasting less food in this lockdown because they've realized that once the people who have a business cannot earn in these times, they're trying to save up their money and waste less food. So yeah.
Yes, I think so, because people are not eating outside anymore, and there is also very limited groceries available. So we make less food, so we waste less food, and also there is more time to finish the food on the plate. So I think that also helps with the food wastage. So we are definitely wasting less food now.
I don't think so, because only they are controlling the consumption of the food to avoid going out frequently to buy the food.
Okay.
I doubt that, because I think in a way we've formed a new habit, and we are being forced to live in this new habit, and it is said that it takes only about 21 days to establish any kind of new habit. So I think this lockdown is good that way. I do have a feeling that this good habit of wasting less food is here to stay. Yeah.
My guess is that people are good. Once the COVID thing is gone, people will go back to their normal routine. People will go back to their normal self, and this habit of not wasting food will also go back to normal. That means they will start wasting food.
In this lockdown, make sure that you balance everything properly. In order to maintain physical health, you should eat the correct amount but also exercise. There are many videos on the internet that show fun ways to do it indoors. When it comes to your mental health, try to make it feel like it is a normal day. Speak to your family, watch something, or do your homework. If you want to speak to your friends, try to do it through video call or chat. Don't change your daily routine. Find indoor alternatives to any outdoor activities. Example, spot jogging instead of normal jogging, and playing chess instead of playing outdoor sports. Use the lockdown to spend as much time with your family who are otherwise tied down with their busy schedules. Now, to shed some light on the current COVID-19 vaccine development, on April 23rd, Oxford University initiated a phase 1 human clinical trial of its vaccine. It contains the common cold virus that causes infections in chimpanzees. However, it has been genetically altered so that it doesn't spread through the body. When this is injected in the body, the vaccine will help the immune system recognize the COVID-19 virus and create antibodies for it. So there is nothing to worry. We will get over this soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe.